This piece of paper can decide whether someone is charged with a felony, and most people have no idea how powerful it is. This is a grand jury summons my friend just received for Dallas County. Not just jury duty, grand jury. Most people panic when they see this because they didn't actually know what a grand jury does. But here's the truth. A grand jury doesn't decide guilt or innocence. There's no judge, typically no defense lawyer in the room, and there's no verdict. A grand jury has one job. They decide whether there's probable cause to charge the defendant with a felony. In Texas, that means cases like murder, sexual assault, serious assaults, felony DWI, major financial crimes, or felony thefts. The prosecutor presents evidence, witnesses may testify, and documents are reviewed. Then the grand jurors vote. Yes means an indictment, no means the case dies. But here's what most people don't realize, and why I'm telling you this as a personal injury lawyer. When a grand jury investigation happens, it forces evidence into existence. Even though grand jury proceedings are secret, the criminal investigation running alongside it creates a paper trail that civil lawyers can later obtain independently. Things like police reports that can later become public record. Witnesses are identified and we can later depose them. Expert opinions are documented. Medical records are collective. Evidence being preserved that might otherwise disappear. Real world examples. A drunk driver kills someone. That indictment for intoxication manslaughter becomes powerful evidence in a civil case. A sexual assault that happens at a business, the criminal investigation identifies witnesses, timelines, and maybe even video that the right civil lawyer can obtain. Corporate conduct causing a death, a criminal case can force preservation of documents that might otherwise be destroyed. As a former prosecutor, I've presented hundreds of cases to grand juries. Now as a trial lawyer, I use evidence developed in criminal investigations to hold people and companies financially accountable. The criminal case asks, was the law broken? The civil question asks, who pays for the harm? And very often, the grand jury investigation is where both stories began. The criminal case puts them in handcuffs, the civil case makes them write a check. You're entitled to both.